Hello everyone and welcome to Rubiks YJ, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing my new 2x2.
The new 2x2 that you've just got.
Yes, it's the YJ MGC 2 Elite.
MGC 2 Elite. Okay.
Okay, now for this packaging we might need a scissors.
Yeah, let me help you do the unboxing. There you go.
Okay, now let's open the cube box.
It opens from here, does it? It looks like it's, oh yeah, okay.
There you go. So what's in this box? We have our tools like normal and the cube. Is there anything else? No. Okay, now let's open the cube.
Oh, that's got packaging as well.
Yep, but it's at least
easy.
openable by hand.
Hopefully. So we got this on Cube Shop?
No, store.
Store. Cube Store.
But you can just get this on places like Amazon and Speedcube store. So now this is the cube.
That's much faster than your previous.
Yes.
2x2.
So I don't have my previous 2x2 right here, but it is supposed to be a bit faster. And okay, the first turns are quite good, so this cube is a good cube.
What's in the toolbox?
But wait, we forgot the toolbox. So we don't know what this is.
Is that something? Oh, that's magnetic.
Yeah, it looks like it's something to do with the spring. And then...
Got a spring. Is this to... maybe if the cube comes out? This is magnetic.
Yeah, and this is a spring here.
There are loads of springs.
And then we just have some instructions on how to solve the cube.
Oh.
And that's
Okay,
all
that's
in this
interesting.
toolbox. And that's going to be it for now. Thank you for watching this video of me and Daddy unboxing this 2x2. Thank you and bye bye everyone.